Hey everyone, this is Faisal from Codemasters, and I am back for another video and another demo. For this video, I would like to go over this blog post here that you can find it on our website, and it's about embedding Google Maps on Wix. But also, we will be using the Google address input that's on Wix, and we're gonna change the center of that map based on the address that we enter. Again, we're gonna just copy paste what's in this blog post. I really advise you to go through it, all of it, but for us, it's just copy paste. Okay, so the first step is to get the Google API key, which I already did. Now we'll just jump to step 2 and add the iframe to our Wix website. Okay, so we have a blank Wix website here. Let's go to add elements, iframe, and this is our iframe. I do like that, and let's enter the code here. Let's go back to our blog post. By the way, the blog post will be the URL will be in the description of this video. Let's go back here and paste it. As you can notice, you need to add your API key. I will add mine. Give me 1 second. By the way, no need to copy my key. I will erase it after this video. Okay, boom. So we see here the map and the center of let's go back here. You see here we put the center as Toronto. We'll talk a little bit more about this in a moment. And we have our function here, okay, that updates the center. So this is initially what people will see. Let's publish. Boom, perfect. View website. And boom, we see it here. Okay, now let's go to the other. Please go ahead and read the explanation so that you understand a little bit more about what's going on here. But for us in this video, we are just doing copy pasting and following this blog post. So let's continue. Okay, so now we add velo, and this is the second part where we add the address input. Okay, so we add the address input, we customize it, and we add this code. Okay, let's do that. Let's go back here. I will add another section. Let's go to input. I'm looking for the address input. There you go. Let's add this one here. Very good. Boom. Okay. That's awesome. Now let's add the code that's in here. That's the onChange event, okay? Which will Google Map. Okay, so this is the name of this. Perfect. This it's the longitude latitude that is taken from the address input. Okay, and setting the zoom to 10. We can change it afterwards if you guys want. Perfect. So it's good. Let's update this. Okay. Let's do another one. Okay. You see here, I made the change in this breakpoint. Okay. You can see it here. These are some of the issues that you encounter when working with Wix Studio, but there's an easier and very easy way to solve this is by using the use on all breakpoints. You guys see it? It is okay. It's already used, so we don't see it again. But once you click on use on all breakpoints, then it will be copied on all of them. But if you add your elements in your primary breakpoint, then it will be used on all of the other ones. However, if you go to one that is not primary and start adding elements, it will not show on the other breakpoints unless you click on use on all breakpoints. Sorry. Okay, so let's publish. Go back to this. Another one. Hopefully it's gonna work now. Okay. Gotta work, man. Perfect. Okay. So now let's try this. Let's do Montreal. Perfect. And Marrakesh. Excellent. Okay. So now you see how easy it is. Just copy paste in if you want this particular function in your website. Just copy paste this, and don't forget the API key. When you set the API key, go back here and see which you need to enable some services. Okay. Generally JavaScript API. Okay. All right. Now let's play with the code a little bit. Let's do, for example, here zoom 6. We publish. So this changes the zoom if you want it. Sometimes the address, it's you don't want a pin on an address as big as Toronto. You want something smaller, maybe a coffee shop in that city. So that will give you much bigger. But of course, let's try it actually and see. Okay. You see, it's much wider now. So you take a good portion of Morocco. And we can do something smaller. We can do 11. Okay. Make sure it publishes. Good. Now let's go back and let's try Eiffel Tower. See, we are closer to Paris. Okay. So you guys got the idea here. If you have any questions, please visit our website. Go to contact us and contact us there. Please go through the step-by-step guide, copy paste. As you can see, it works. Just make sure you follow every step here. If you would like something customized, please don't hesitate to contact us at Codemasters or info@codemastersinc.com. Thank you guys very much, and hopefully I can see you in the other video.